Newborn Piglets program until weaning. Day 3. Give iron. Iron supplementation helps prevent anemia and supports healthy growth in piglets. Day 7. Anti-pneumonia vaccine. These vaccines aim to prevent pneumonia caused by Mycoplasma pneumonia, a common cause of respiratory disease in pigs. Day 10. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex supplementation in piglets, particularly during the suckling and weaning, can improve appetite, growth, and overall health. Day 14. Iron booster shot. These injections are given within the first few days to ensure piglets receive adequate iron for health growth and treat iron deficiency anemia. Day 21. Anti-hog cholera vaccine. These vaccines help prevent swine fever. The effectiveness of vaccination in piglets can be influenced by the amount and quality of colostrum they receive. Day 25. Vitamin B complex second shot. Day 28. Conventional weaning. Benefits of weaning allows piglets to transition to a diet that is more easily digestible and provides them with a broader range of nutrients, which can help them grow faster and stronger. Thank you for watching. If you like the content on my channel, please consider subscribing to stay updated on new videos. You can find the subscribe button below.